Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, when everybody was jumping up and down and celebrating that Sowore had been granted bail, I did try to caution them not to celebrate too quickly, and the reason why I was putting in that caution was because of course we all know the antecedents of these people, El Zakzaki, Dasuki, etc. We all know that these people have no regard for the rule of law or court judgments, etc. We've seen copious and countless examples of this to know this to be the case. So with that guys, I bring you this. DSS explains why Sowore is still in custody despite fulfilling his bail conditions. So that's the headline. DSS explains why Sowore is still in custody despite fulfilling his bail conditions. So now let's get into what exactly these people have to say. The Department of State Services, DSS, has given a reason why embattled publisher of Sahara Reporters, Omoyele Sowore, is still in custody despite fulfilling his bail conditions yesterday, September the 25th. In an interview, the spokesperson of the DSS, Dr. Peter Afunaya, said the agency is yet to receive the Federal High Court's order granting Sowore bail. We have not received the court order, and his, that is Sowore's, counsel is a very senior member of the bar and he knows the process to follow. This process has not been followed, Afanaya said. Falana was at the DSS headquarters in Abuja yesterday to receive Sowore after bail conditions was fulfilled. So now this is now delaying tactics. Of course, we all know this. This is their set play. This is their go-to. This is their raison d'etre. This is their shtick. This is what they do. We've seen it copiously and countlessly, and we have seen this play acting countless times. We have been down this road before. So now they are going to delay and delay, and then they'll say now we have another reason to detain him, or they can release him and then arrest him again immediately to say, okay, we have released you to fulfill the bail, and then we are arresting you immediately on other charges. This is what they do as well. But either way, don't hold your breath until you actually see Sowore walking on the streets as a free man. And I hope he does, and I hope this does happen, but I fear that this might well not happen anytime in the near future. Certainly not within the administration of Muhammadu Buhari, because of course when these people get hold of you, they never let you go. Again, reference Zakzaki, Dasuki, etc. Those are the prominent names, but there are countless names under this same set play. Conversations in the comment section. How optimistic are you that Sowore is going to be released is really the topic of this video. But before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this palaver in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.